Hi everyone and welcome to this new video. You can download Photoshop brushes by clicking on the Google Drive link in the video description. From the window that opens when you click on the link, download the file must have Photoshop brushes. Wait until the entire file is downloaded. It depends on your internet speed. Once the file is downloaded, open Photoshop. In the previous video, I made a video about how to download pre-activated Photoshop 2021. Its link is also flagged in the description. Here are some common Photoshop brushes that are usually built in with Photoshop. But we can add new designing brushes for our choice in Photoshop. From the brush settings as shown in the video.
Here we go.
Click on the Import Brushes option and upload the brushes preset we downloaded. Now all the brushes we have loaded have been added in Photoshop. Now we can use them at will. If you found this video useful, subscribe to this channel for more videos. Write your comments as a comment. Thanks for watching.